Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today we're learning about things you find in the kitchen. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
What is the word for knife in Sepedi?
Tipa! Tipa!
That's right, tipa. And what is the word for fork in Sepedi? Very good, foroko. Now, what is the word for plate in Sepedi? That's right, polete. And the word for spoon in Sepedi?
Lihuana!
That's right, lehuana. And what is glass in Sepedi? Very good, halase. And pot in Sepedi?
Pizza!
That's right, picha.
Pizza!
So, we have tipa,
Tipa!
foroko, polete, lehuana,
Lihuana!
halase, and picha.
Pizza!
And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti.
Shalachabotse.